Hello everyone. I would like to sadly report the passing of my mom, Rachel MacIntosh. She passed away November 5th, 2021 around 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I was blessed to be able to say my goodbyes. My last words to my mom was, "In love, may you find the next safe passage on your travels until our final journey to the end. May we meet again." This saying is from a TV show that my mom showed me, named The 100. I have said so many times, I don't know why God took someone that was kind and loving. However, heaven has gained another angel. My heart is broken. I can't sleep without crying. But I'm glad that she is not in any pain anymore. She will forever be missed and never forgotten. In honor of Rachel, please enjoy this video. May you rest in peace. I hope to see you again soon.
I would just like to say that I've had a lot of ups and downs with my mom and stuff, but no matter what, I'm always gonna love her, and I've always loved her, even though that we've gotten into fights and stuff like that. I've had some great memories with her, like my nephew's birthday, going to a bar, or just Friday nights having Milano's Pizza with the family 6%, and watching movies that we rent, stuff like that. So I just want to say, I do love her, and I'm always gonna love her. I'm always gonna miss her, because she's been the best mom I could ever ask for, no matter our differences. Hopefully that this is what you guys were looking for, and I don't know what else to say. I mean, I don't even have that much time, but yeah, anyways, thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys soon.
What can I say about Rachel? She was the best. I can just only remember her making me laugh when I needed it. She's always very positive. She always made me feel like I was good enough for people, worth it. She was a force of good. I love you, and I love you guys.
So fearful. Now we're finally finding our voices. So take a chance, come help me sing this. Yeah, we're all wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Michel Legault, and I knew Rachel through the Scout movement that we had in Clarence Rockland at the time, which was the 64th. And Rachel was involved with the Cubs and as well as the Ventures at that time. Rachel would take the modules needed for the needed modules for the groups, and some. She would go through that like I've never seen anyone do it. She was very determined, very positive about that. And when she did bring the kids out to camps or to activities or somewhat, she was very dedicated to them, making sure they were always safe. Maybe one time they crossed the line, they camped on the wrong property, but everything was okay. We laughed about it for a couple of seasons on that one. Also within the Scout movement, Rachel and I did 2 canoe trips. Our first one being that we had issues of the way we're navigating with the oars, and we would go always left and right, never in a straight line. But we managed to get the right techniques, and went down rapids level 2 a couple of times, and also other obstacles. We had a blast, and we laughed all the way down there, and we had a great time. Also with Rachel, I had done my coming out as a trans person already within the movement, and before we met, and she had questions I answered them as honestly as I could. And also, she did help me with my transition, helping other people understand, parents as well, understand, and the kids. And Rachel, all in all, was a great friend, was dedicated, was honest, was funny, and she will be dearly missed. And may she rest in peace.
Hi, my name is Manon. You know when someone touches your heart and leaves their prints in your heart forever? Well, Rachel is one of them. I will never forget her contagious smile. You know, me and Rachel worked in Bourget together, and our boss paid us our first trip for the whole staff, but for me and Rachel was the first trip ever, and it was at Disney. So you can just imagine seeing Rachel at Disney. We had a blast. I will miss her a lot, and I will keep her smile in my heart forever, and I will keep in mind what she told me once. If you want something in life, you have to get it. Don't let anybody tell you what to do. Any size or shape, it doesn't matter. Just go after what you want. So I would like to say thank you, Rachel, for passing through my life. Hopefully we'll see each other up there one day. You take care.
Hey, my name's Kevin. I've known Rachel for over 20 years, and she's a good person and very kind-hearted. She always liked to help people, and very sad that she's got taken away from us way too early.
And I'll stay if you prefer. Yes, I'll leave you without a word, without a word. And you can tell the world that you're tired, but your excuses, they won't work. 'Cause I know that you're lying. Every time that I see your face, I notice all the suffering. Just turn to my embrace. I won't let you come to nothing. Stand there and look into my eyes and tell me that all we had were lies.
Okay, so this is my new keychain from Banff, Alberta. I thought this was cute, and here it goes.
If you prefer, yes, I'll leave you without a word, without a word, without a word. Without a word, without a word, without some nights when I'm hollow. I know you crossed the bridge that I can't follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory is ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more. Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I need more time, but time can't be borrowed. I'd leave it all behind if I could follow. Since the love that you left is all that I got, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory is ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Da 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 da. I miss you more
Oh my gosh! You scared me off the jet! For a second there, I thought you took the car and left. Then I can't see that in the bank. I looked there and you weren't there, so I looked all around.
Yeah, we were all over the place. Na, 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 na.
Well, not only that, so these monkeys don't bust it, but I would put it right on your counter in your kitchen up there. Make sure they don't touch it either.
I would put it in the middle of the
It'd be pretty.
Or put it in the living room and hung the TV.
As long as it's up high enough for these monkeys.
You can always put it up there.
We'll see.
A new beginning. Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You want more than you say. You know. Life, it can feel on hold. It can feel like miles stretched before you. Life, it can be your dance. It can be your song. A song worth singing. Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You want more than you say. You know. together, in this together.